Hey, this is Kevin from Glen Head. So I just thought I'd share my story with you about my experience working with the team at Rapid Restore. Wife and I discovered that we had a problem on our roof. Realized pretty quickly that we needed to replace the whole thing. So we looked around and found Rapid Restore, scheduled a meeting with Jacob. My wife and I had a lot of questions for Jacob. And Jacob was extremely patient and answered every single one of our questions. He was extremely professional. And obviously, very knowledgeable about roofs. They had no idea there was that much to know about, putting a new roof on. So we talked about it, and about a week or so later, we decided that we were gonna, give the business to the team at Rapid Restore. Next step, we just talked to Cassie, who works in the office, and she helped us schedule when they would do the work. And I think it was that following Friday morning, and next thing you know, when the manager from the team showed up at the door, first thing in the morning, I think it was 8 o'clock, with his trucks and the team, and they told us they would complete the job in one day. And they told us, that if we needed anything throughout the day, that they would they'll let us know when they would take care of it. And they did everything that they said they would do. Overall, I think they did a fantastic job. We were very, very pleased with the service that they provided. At the end of the day, everything was clean. There was no debris anywhere on my property. All the nails and parts of the roof that were part of the old roof were gone. It was like they'd never been here, except that we had a brand new, beautiful roof. So, we were very happy with the product, very happy with the service. We were so happy that we recommended the company to our next door neighbor. I think he got his done as well. So that's my story, Great team, great company, and, would recommend them to anyone.